Hello and thank you for tuning in. Today, we're diving into a core function of Expensify, how employee reimbursement actually works. It's a straightforward process designed to get money back into the hands of your team quickly and accurately. The journey begins when an employee submits an expense report. Once the report is fully prepared with all necessary receipts and details, it is sent for approval. The designated approver reviews the submission to ensure all company policies are met. This is a critical check to verify the legitimacy of the expenses. If everything looks correct, the approver moves the report forward by clicking the Approve button. With approval secured, the report transitions to the final stage, payment. Expensify facilitates the actual transfer of funds. The company must have an integrated or connected bank account within the platform. Once the reimbursement process is initiated, Expensify communicates with the connected bank accounts. It deducts the total approved amount from the company's bank account and sends it directly to the employee's verified personal bank account. It is important for both the company and the employee to have their banking details correctly entered and verified in Expensify to ensure a smooth transfer. This verification step prevents errors and delays in payment. The time it takes for the funds to arrive can vary depending on the banks involved, but the entire process is automated to be as fast as possible. Employees can track the status of their reimbursement directly in the Expensify app, seeing when it's approved, processing, and finally paid. Expensify streamlines reimbursement by connecting expense submission, policy approval, and direct bank transfer into one seamless, trackable system. This automation eliminates manual work and ensures your team is paid back promptly. Thank you for watching this breakdown of the Expensify reimbursement process. We hope this was helpful in understanding how this key feature works.